Hi everybody, welcome to Storytime at Central Library Hub, Children's Library. I'm Anna and today we're going to read Supertato, Veggies in the Valley of Doom by Sue Hendra and Paul Linnet, with thanks to Simon and Schuster, publishers. It was night time in the supermarket and the Veggies were complaining. "But there's nothing to do," whined Pineapple. "We can play hide and seek," said Broccoli. "I'm great at hide and seek." "What a splendid idea," said Supertato. So the Veggies ran off to hide and Supertato started to count. 1, 2, 3, 498, 499, 500. Ready or not, here I come. They must be around here somewhere, thought Supertato. "Is that you, Tomato?" "I can see you, Pineapple, and you, Cucumber. I think I found you, Carrot." "You found me," said Carrot, "but look what I found. It's a treasure map." "You might be right," said Supertato, "and it seems to be leading to the gardening aisle." As the Veggies gathered around, someone was watching. "Ooh, treasure," thought the evil pea from his hiding place. "Come on, let's go," shouted the Veggies. "Not so fast," said Supertato. "First, we're going to need some supplies." And he rounded up some water, biscuits, rope, and of course, a pair of oven gloves. Oven gloves. But the entrance to the gardening aisle was a wall of plants. "Oh, we never get through that," said Carrot. "Ah," said Supertato, "that's what the water's for." And with that he poured it onto the pots. Went the plants, and up they sprang, clearing the way ahead. "Thanks, Supertato, we were gasping." "Wow," said Tomato, "I didn't know plants could talk." "Come on, everyone," said Carrot, "this way. The map says we need to go through the Valley of Doom." Why is it called the Valley of Doom?" wondered Pineapple. But he didn't wonder for long. "Quick, Pineapple, it's crunch time," shouted Supertato. "Throw me the biscuits." Luckily, the biscuits did the trick, and Supertato and the Veggies were soon out of danger. Phew! But now they'd reached a dead end. "Oh, this must be Cactus Canyon," said Carrot. "Oh, we'll get prickled to pieces," cried Tomato. "How will we ever get through?" "Oh, with oven gloves, of course," said Supertato, and soon they were back on their way. It was a long trek through the desert. "Oh, I can't go on," said Tomato. "Yes, you can," said Supertato. "Together we're going to make it." After hours of walking, they were finally out of the desert. "I can see the treasure chest," shouted Carrot. "We're almost there." But Supertato and the Veggies were so excited they didn't see the quicksand. "Help! Oh, help!" they yelled. "We're sinking fast." shrieked the evil pea. "You are in a sticky situation." "Oh dear," said one cactus to another. "Is this the end for Supertato and the Veggies?" Maybe it was. With Supertato in the quicksand, who could help these veggies in distress? Who do you think? Oh, don't look at me, shouted the pea. The treasure's mine, all mine. Please, please help us, pea, called the veggies, before it's too late. Oh, all right, snapped the pea, if I must. Evil pea to the rescue! Supertato threw the rope and the pea pulled them to safety. You saved us, squealed the veggies. You're a hero. No, I'm not. I'm evil. All that help was giving me a headache, that's all. Supertato smiled. The moment had come. Everyone crowded around the treasure chest. It was time to see what was inside. Open it up. Surprise! Yelled Broccoli, popping out of the treasure chest. I told you I was great at hide and seek. Supertato and the gang started the long walk home. I didn't have you down as one of the good guys, Pea, said Supertato, but maybe I was wrong. Whatever you say, Supertato, sniggered the pea. That's a great story, isn't it? Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.